Okay, hi, this is my little app that I wrote. I had a lot of fun making it, and I wanted to just show you how it works and stuff. So I'll go ahead and get started. Obviously, it works with this game Wordle, and so we're gonna just start off playing because it doesn't really tell you what to do in the beginning. So, okay, I went ahead and this is a common word to start with, and so I'll go ahead and plug that output in. So we obviously up here, your confirmed letters, we did get one green letter, which is the O. We know it's right here. And we got an E over here. And then we know that these letters are not anywhere in the word. So I go ahead and press that, and it'll give me, these are all the possible outputs, or the final words. Now, that's not too helpful here in the early stage of the game. So I have these exploratory words. These are words that, well, this might get updated a bit because these are words that have letters you haven't chosen yet. But obviously, if you look through here, you might see like an O or something, and we already know it has an O. But if you look through this list, you should probably not see very much A's because that's on the blacklist. So I'll go ahead and just another word that I've had a lot of luck with is this word might. Now we got two more, so I'll go ahead and plug those into our home screen. And what else we get? We've understood that the G and the H were not anywhere in the word. And okay, so there's only one possible word it could be at this point. Now I did add another thing here recently. I don't know how useful it's going to be in a situation like this where there's only one candidate word. We'll try that again on the next level. But obviously it's saying it's that, and yes, it was. So we'll try one more level. And why don't I just go like this? Okay. Now let's go ahead and reset that. O, R, E. We got the S, A, M, I, G, H, T. Is not anywhere in this word. So hit that again. Now it could be any of these 42 words, but I've got some other features I want to show you here. Now this probables takes all the words that it could be, breaks them down into just the letters, and then it counts up, how many times D appears in those words. So there's a high probability that the letter D is in our final word. Now I've omitted the O, the R, the E, and all these blacklisted words. This would be 100%. We know it's in the word, and so are these 100%, somewhere in the word. Now these would all be 0%, so I've omitted that from this list. So now what we can do with that is we'll understand that let's try let's try to eliminate D, W, and P in one guess. We can D, W, and P. And this button will remove any word that doesn't have all three of these characters. So let's see if there's any guessing word. Oh, okay. So here's two words that will tell us if what these three letters that we're interested. These words will tell us, the status of the D in this word, the status of the W, and the status of the P. So let's go ahead and, unfortunately, these don't show us anything super helpful otherwise, because we know there's no A, we know there is a E. So both of these are about the same. We know there's no I, and we know there is a E. So both of these are about the same as far as what new information it's going to reveal. So let's just go with wiped. Okay. So now we could probably narrow it down very, very far because we know there's a W here, we know there's an E here, and I, P, D. is nowhere in here. So it brought it down to one candidate word. Got it. Okay, so that's kind of how this app works. It's called Wordle Boost, and it was just kind of fun to make. Now, obviously, the probables here, oh, nothing, no output. I'm not sure what's going on there. But that's kind of how it works, and if we were, so that's kind of what these three tabs do. Obviously, you've got your home tab for the main stuff that you do. Suggestions is going to help you with some other good guessing words, and you can filter those down by, like, if you're in a situation where you're like, I really need to figure out if it has a B, or does it have a C or a W, like we did before. And I guess there's no words with those three characters, but we can figure out if there's a B or a W. Anyways, so that's the app, and it's kind of fun to play with and use. So enjoy it, I suppose.